Hey guys, my heart is pounding. I'm gonna hop on the bike for the first time in 8 weeks post knee replacement surgery. So let's go do this. Hope I do okay. There's my new baby, my new 2023 Yamaha MT09sp, all dolled up, ready to ride for the first time in 62 days. I've been counting every day, guys. Counting every day. Last time I was with you, I showed you all my mods, and finally got my tail tidy done. It's a TST, got the blue little frame plate. Kind of add a little color, and yeah, that's it, I think, except for my little socky doodle. Alright, let's swing my right knee replacement. Swing my leg over the bike. What a journey. What a journey. Oops, I just accidentally honked my horn. Let's go. Obviously, you need to be able to bend that knee to get your foot up on the peg. All right, here I go. My first ride. I'm so excited and yet nervous. Can you believe it? I'm nervous. Okay, this video will be probably more interesting to you if you have had or are considering a knee replacement, but that means you are a more mature rider, a rider more my age, not you young kids. You're not getting knee replacements. Oh my goodness. It feels so good to be back on the bike, guys and girls. I missed it so much. Man, a lot of couch time, guys. A lot of couch time, a lot of icing, a lot of elevating to get this knee ready to ride, a lot of physical therapy. And is it my knee 100%? Absolutely not. Not even close. I know, dude, I'm going a little slow. All right, give me a break. It's my first time back on the bike. Okay, putting my feet down, straightening my knee out. It's a little tight. Yes, it is. You know, I figure after 5-10 minutes, it's just all going to come back to me. Oops. Remember to turn the blinker off. So here I am on my wonderful SP. I'm so happy I bought this bike. So right now, I am still working a lot on not only range of motion, but I'm also working on strength. My quadricep is atrophied a bit. It's really, I gotta be honest with you, I did not realize what a major surgery this was. I really didn't. Whew, it was an eye-opener. This surgery is not for the faint of heart. All right, protect me, Father. Protect me on my first ride with my new knee. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. Oh, if you're considering a knee replacement, it's quite the thing. You gotta be patient. Not gonna lie, it's painful. The first 2 weeks, not a lot of sleep. Could barely eat. It was rough. But you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So, although I still have a ways to go, I felt like I was ready to hop on the bike and ride, as I have been improving in physical therapy. And my knee is comfortable right now with the bend. I'm sure I can't ride a very long distance. It would start to ache, yeah. But here I am, back on my bike. Wow. It felt like forever to get to this point. And I hope I'm not boring you with all this. I know you're here for motorcycles and not knee replacements. So let's ride. See how it feels. Okay. Feels good. see how cautious I'm being? I'm like slowing down. You see me? I don't want anything happening to my new knee. Oh my gosh, I don't want to be fearful and terrified to ride or terrified to do things. But man, this is not a surgery I would want to ever do again. And I mean, I think my left knee is okay. I don't have any pain in my left knee. So I think I'll be good with that knee, hopefully the rest of my life, because I'm not a runner anymore. I'm not playing basketball anymore. Would like to get back on the hiking trail though. It just feels so good to be back on the bike. It feels so good. I've missed it so much. I cannot even tell you how many YouTube videos I've been watching. Ugh. So many YouTube videos. You planning on going? There you go. Attaboy. So one of my favorite things on my new bike are these ASV levers. Oh, so nice. What a nice pull. Not that I have to pull them very often because I have a quick shifter, but they are a nice, easy pull. I need to get out of the house. I've been back to the gym for about 3 weeks now. Just easy. Going easy. But today I did take my first cycle class. Just went easy. I thought, am I going to be able to stand up? I did. I stood up, but I went really easy. Got that knee moving. So it's just like little baby steps. From what I see on YouTube land, I think this bike is pretty much considered the top middleweight bike. This CP3 engine. What is just an amazing engine. Oh, I just want to twist the throttle just for a little bit, guys. Yes. Yes. Wow, these weeds really grew since I was here. Oh man. It's amazing how things happen in 2 months. Yeah, I've just been dying to get back to normal, you know. I just want to be able to go out and play with my grandkids and shoot hoops with them, play knockout, ride my motorcycle every day, go on hikes with my husband. All the possibilities of a new knee. Yes, after every activity, including my motorcycle ride today, it's back on the couch, icing for 15-20 minutes and elevating. And that really, really helps. These mirrors work so well. So well. Oh, yes. Stretch that knee out, Alex. This one could be adjusted a little bit. There we go. Yes. Love these mirrors. Okay, back on the bike. There you go. There you go. Excellent. Very excellent. Yeehaw. Swing that leg around. Nice. Okay. Ooh, oh yeah, I got a new, forgot to show you that, a new little kickstand extender to give a little more beefiness on the bottom. That's just a good looking bike. Okay. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for hanging in there with me while I was recuperating. And I'll catch you in the next video.